Hello and welcome students. Today in this video we shall learn about an inspirational story written by Lamb of Larity. The name of the story is His First Flight. In fact, this is the story about a young seagull. A seagull is a bird that lives in water, and the seagull is very young, and the seagull feels very much awkward. It gets afraid to take its first flight. Through this story, the author wants to teach a lesson. What is the lesson and what is the objective of the lesson? Let us discuss it at first. The objective of the story is very simple. The narrator wants to make the students realize that we may win, we may conquer fear by courage. It means to say, if we have the courage, we can do the tremendous things in this world. So courage must not be forgotten. Okay, what happens in the story? There is a young seagull. There is a young seagull who is living on the brink or on the corner of the ledge with his family beside the sea. The whole of the family is living happily, and the young seagull is unable to muster his courage, to gather, to collect his courage to take its first flight. The problem is felt by the family member. All the family members, along with the parents, even the brother and two brothers and sister of young seagull, they have taken the flight. But this young seagull has not a courage to fly. What happens with him? He was reluctant to take its first flight because he afraid that whenever he shall take his first flight, his wings will not support to him. The young seagull was made understand by the family members to take the first flight, but it did not learn the lesson. Now the young seagull was not provided the food by the family members, and seagull spent night empty bellied, empty stomached throughout on the night in his hole. Now next day, the night was passed. Next day was a sunny day. On that sunny day, all the family members, brothers of young seagull, sister of young seagull, mother of young seagull, the father of young seagull, all were doing their work. They were swimming in the sea, they were flying in the sky, they were collecting their food, they were eating the fish by catching from the water. But this young seagull was standing on the rock. The family members, they were taunting him, they were requesting him to make the flight, but it does not heed to them. He was empty bellied, he was hungry, so he stood on the brink and he made a trick. What was the trick of the young seagull? He came forward, then bent his one leg and closed his eyes, and he made the gesture likewise. He was getting unconscious. He showed them that he was going to die, he was going to be unconscious. But the family members did not pay any attention to the young seagull. Now what happens? The parents tried to cajole him, he did not heed to them. Now when the young seagull tried to show them that he was going to unconscious, they did not pay any attention to him. Now the mother seagull made a magical trick. What was the trick? In fact, when the young seagull was completely hungry, she was sitting on the one side of the ledge with a fish. She was eating the fish in pieces. She took one piece and she, on the request of the small seagull, young seagull, came forward to him. The young seagull thought that the mother has accepted my request and she is bringing the food to me. But it was not the case. She came to him and she was almost in reach to the young seagull. All of a sudden, the mother stopped at some distance. The young seagull tried to catch the fish. He was willing to catch that fish. Because of the hunger, he was feeling very much weak. Now he took a jump. He left. He bent forward. As soon as he bent forward, the mother got aside. Now the young seagull fell down. The young seagull fell down in the open space or in the open sky. The mother seagull was around him. Whether the young seagull now felt that his wings were filled with the air. He was not feeling that he was going down. He took the courage. Whether the terror and the fear seized his heart, but the young seagull tried to spread his wings and he flapped them. The young seagull flapped his wings. As soon as he started to flap the wings, he found that he was flying in the sky. This was the success story of the young seagull, how he learned to fly. Now the mother came towards him. She was promoting him, praising him. The brother and sisters of the young seagull, they also came near to him. The father also came close to the young seagull. The lesson was successful. The mother's trick worked and the young seagull took the very first flight. The young seagull kept on flying. After some time, the family members, they landed on the surface of the green sea. They landed on the surface of the green sea, and the young seagull was tired. He also came down. He descended and tried to sit on the green surface of the sea. But he felt that his legs were going into the sea's water of the ocean. But soon he felt that his body was floating on the water. He was floating on the water. His legs sank into the water, but his body was now floating in the water. The family members, brothers, sisters, and the parents, they brought the pieces of the dogfish to him, and he enjoyed his success.